Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Wahoo Element Bolt V2. First, let's get your device powered on and connected. Simply hold the left side button for a few seconds to turn it on. Next, download the Wahoo Element Companion app to your smartphone. This essential app guides you through pairing your Bolt V2 via Bluetooth, ensuring a smooth initial setup. You will be ready to customize your device in just a few moments. Now, let's personalize your ride experience by customizing your data pages. Through the Companion app, you can effortlessly drag and drop data fields to suit your preferences. You have the flexibility to display up to 10 data fields on each screen, ensuring all your crucial metrics are visible. Furthermore, create distinct ride profiles for road, mountain, or indoor cycling, tailoring your display for every adventure. Navigating new routes is straightforward with your Bolt V2. Easily upload routes from your favorite third-party apps directly to the device. The vibrant color screen provides clear, turn-by-turn directions, making sure you stay on course. Should you need to find a new destination mid-ride, the convenient Take Me to feature allows you to navigate to a specific location or saved spot instantly. Finally, let's enhance your data collection and keep your device current. Your Bolt V2 seamlessly pairs with a wide array of ANT+ and Bluetooth sensors, including heart rate monitors and power meters, for rich ride data. Stay connected with smart notifications from your phone, displaying calls and messages. Remember to regularly update your device's firmware wirelessly via the Companion app for optimal performance and new features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.